Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You begin by preparing the Switch Pro controller and your PC. Make sure the controller is charged above 50% and updated. This prevents connection glitches. Next, decide whether you'll pair via Bluetooth or plug in with a USB-C cable. Wired gives lower latency. Then, install or enable the necessary drivers and Steam input. These tell Windows how to read the controller. Once done, place the controller in pairing mode or connect the cable, and move to device recognition in Windows. Now you pair and configure the controller so games recognize it. If using Bluetooth, open Windows Bluetooth settings, add a device, then press the Pro Controller Sync button until lights flash. Windows should list it. If wired, check Device Manager for a recognized HID or Xbox controller entry. Update drivers if needed. Open Steam Big Picture or a mapping utility to enable support, test inputs, and set dead zones and button mappings. Make adjustments until sticks are centered and every button responds reliably. Finish by testing the controller in a simple game and tuning Steam input per title, because some games prefer global mappings while others need custom profiles. If you experience drift or frequent drops, switch to a USB connection and update your Bluetooth adapter drivers. That often fixes stability. As a last resort, reset the controller by pressing the tiny sync button for about 10 seconds, then repair. If problems continue, try a different cable or adapter. Hardware faults are common culprits.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.